Miami. We have birds that are flying sideways, literally next to us, which is a really fun party trick, I think. They're everywhere. Can you see that? Yeah, this is the kind of things that just happen on a little cruise. Welcome to the beach. Miami Beach. Look at this beautiful sky. There's Birdie. Say hi. Wow. Look at the birds. They're just hanging out. We made it to the beach. We're gonna take lots of pictures because it's pretty good golden hour lighting. I wish you were here. It's a lot more fun when you're with us. So make sure that you book your next trip with us. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna have lots of birds flying all over us. We're gonna soar high. We're gonna fly high. Hey, you belong here. Make this go viral.